Do you know that banana peel is a solution to that your hair problem? Yes, banana peel is effective in stopping your hair fall, hair breakage, thinning hair, regrow your edges, stop itching scalp, dandruff, and also give you faster hair growth and also condition your hair. On today's video, I will show you the best way to use this banana peel to grow your hair 10 times faster. So what you need to do is to grab it and let's dive into today's video. First thing is to be my jar, and my jar is clean. My first ingredient is banana peel. I've already washed my banana peel off camera. Just lick your banana and keep the peel. You can stock it as many as there because there are different way you can use this banana peel to grow your hair, guys. But on today's video, I'll just be showing you one way to make banana peel to grow that your hair to your heart desire and solve that your hair problem. So what I'm doing after washing it, so this is what I have so far. I will use my scissors to cut it into small pieces to put it into my jar container. But before you use a banana peel, please make sure that you wash it, okay? It's very necessary you wash it before you use it, okay? So I will cut it. The part that we do not need the head because I already cut out the head before now. So what I'm removing now is the tail. So after cutting it, see the tail, we don't need the tail. I'm going to discard that part. So another ingredient I'll be adding in this my banana peel to activate it more is garlic. I'm using 3 cloves of garlic. You guys, you know that garlic is another powerful home remedy that will help to stop hair fall, hair breakage, grow your hair, condition your hair, stop itching scalp, and also give you that faster hair growth you desire. So I using my 3 cloves of garlic. I also use my scissors to cut it into a small sizable. I did not peel the skin of this garlic. I'm using it together with the skin of the garlic because the skin of the garlic also have its own benefits in our hair, okay? So after putting it, I'm trying to peel the one that don't fall on the floor and put them together into the jar container. Next thing, I pour in my hot water. I'm using hot water, the water that is very hot. After pouring my hot water, I'll cover this up and I will leave it to infuse for 12 hours, okay? You can infuse yours overnight. It depends when you prepare this. You can infuse it 8 hours, but I would advise you to infuse it for 12 hours. Then you're going to see the good benefit of it. Do you see how the water is? The water is so plain, okay? But after 12 hours, you see how the water of this recipe will change. So guys, after 12 hours, you see the banana peel have changed in color. The water also have changed in color, showing that this recipe is ready. Show that the nutrients of the banana peel and the garlic, they have released their nutrients into the water. You can also infuse this by boiling method, okay? You can just cut it this way. I cut it, put it in fire and boil it. Add your water and boil it. You can boil it for 5 minutes, 6 minutes. So if you don't have that time to infuse this for 12 hours, you can go for boiling method. But why I like infusion method, because infusion methods make the ingredient to be more potent than boiling method. But if you are carefully, you don't allow your fire to be too high, you don't have that time to infuse it for 12 hours, you can go for boiling method. But while boiling it, do not allow your fire to be too high, okay? Boil it in low flame light, okay? And once it's 6 to 7 minutes or 8 minutes, bring it down and light to cool down. You are ready to go, okay? So after transferring to my spray bottle, this is what I have so far for easy application. So this is the stage of my hair. I'm going to apply this on my scalp, okay, to condition my hair. I'm trying to sense it if the garlic is pronounceable, but guys, that garlic is not pronounceable at all. You can't even remember that you use garlic on this recipe. I'm just happy about that. So if you are wondering about the garlic scent, you know, so garlic have very horrible smelling, but with missing of this, it not smell that bad, okay? So maybe if you boil it, the pronunciation of the garlic will be more pronounceable. I don't know. So if you are going for infusion method, you will not perceive it, okay? And also, if you like, you can add your essential oil to enhance the smell of garlic if at all your garlic is pronounceable. But if you don't have essential oil, just prepare it and use your leave-in condition to coat in the scent, okay? okay. And if I thought that this garlic scent out, I believe that once your hair dry, the smell will be disappear. I hope you're understanding me. So just use this on a fresh wash, okay. Make sure your hair is very fresh wash. This will help to stop that of shedding, guys. There is no joke with this, okay. It will help to stop your hair fall, hair breakage, help to thicken up your hair, condition your hair. Once you apply this on your hair, the condition effect, you feel it immediately you apply it on your hair. And once you apply this on your hair finish, please make sure you massage your scalp, okay. You can use the palms of your hand, you can use your scalp massage to massage your scalp. And also make sure that you stay in the moisture with your leave-in condition and your oil, so that this moisture can last longer to your hair, okay. So guys, this recipe is something I need to try if you are looking for a way to stop hair fall. If you are looking for a simple remedy that you can use to grow down your hair to your heart desire, to stop hair breakage, hair fall, to grow your edges, alopecia, and so many other benefits to be gotten on using this, you do not need to joke on this, okay. I believe that I convinced you not to deceive you on using banana peel to grow your hair. Please stop throwing away your banana peels. There are different ways to use banana peel to give yourself that faster hair growth desire, okay. So this is one of that recipe. So more of this banana peel is coming on your way. Meaning, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe, okay, and turn on your post notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And also, if you have not liked this video up to this point, please help me to click on that like button. It really encouraged me to put more good content out there, and also it helps the growth of the channel. And lastly, share this video to your family and friends so that they can get the good news on today's video, okay. So guys, I've come to end of today's video. I love you guys so much, but God love you more. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed and be safe out there. Bye. Mwah.